today we're gonna install these lights, the clear tail lights that I bought from K2 Industries. I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. So they normally come with two plug-in connectors. You just gotta worry about one for the pre-face and the normal facelift. Some of the pre, I'm using this one only. You don't have to worry about this one. One thing they didn't tell me to do, these pins are too high up, so you have to bend them down so they can connect to this perfectly. So just note that you have to bend these a little bit down so they can fit in. I didn't know that. I had to message them and then they told me that and it worked. So let's get it. All right guys, first things first, 3 bolts, one on top, one left, and then one hiding down there. All you gotta do is loosen them and this whole thing should come out. All right guys, after you bolt it back together, you know, connect that. You should be all done. Should be quick and easy. Now we have one clear tail light on. I'm gonna put the other one on right now. All right guys, this is the other headlight for the left side. I'm gonna show you how I bent it because I had to bend these pins down right here that are inside. They're too high up, so it doesn't fit through. So I use one of these things right here. It's like an L wrench thing, and I just stick it in there. Boom, just like that. You just leave it probably for about 3 minutes. Let it bend for a little bit, because then if you just do it for 1 second or 2 and take it right off, it's not gonna bend at all. So you're just gonna want to do this for every single one and make sure it's bent down and it looks all the same, and it should just slide in. I'll show you guys how it's supposed to slide in. All right guys, after bending it a couple times, should just slide right in here, just like that. It should just go in. For some reason it doesn't make the lock-in noise, but it's in. But yeah, I'm just test fitting it before I put this headlight, but I'm gonna put it on right now. We'll see how it looks. After you're done, it should look like this. All you gotta do is just connect it back. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it should be okay. I'm gonna put all these things back. Alright guys, this is how it looks with the trunk down. Now I'm gonna do these. Alright guys, I just installed my reversed ones. If you guys want to know what to do, you take these pins out with the trim tool, if you guys have a trim tool. If not, just use a flathead, but just be careful because you'll break them. And this thing will come down, and then you'll be able to see the reverse lights here, and it's just one bolt that you take off and it should just come right off. But yeah, all right, this is how it looks when it's fully installed. I think that's full. So you guys get a look of this. Very nice, that's me.
Me in it, deal with pain. Sliding, looking like I'm on the way.